Hi guys, welcome and congratulations on your purchase. Go ahead and place those instructions to the side because today we'll be covering all parts in your owner's manual. First, you want to start by removing all 4 stools, then the top of the box easily slides right off. Now you're going to want to remove all parts. First is your support rack, which is also your propane tank gas holder. After removing shrink wrap, you'll find your hibachi griddle plate. If you feel this plate is too heavy, grab some help. This plate alone weighs about 50 pounds. Continue removing any zip ties you find along the way. Remove multi-purpose stovetop. Then you'll find your grease trap. Be careful with sharp edges. Now these are your 4 caster wheels. Go ahead and remove from its packaging. These 4 wheels are the only things that need to be hand screwed onto your unit. Then remove your heavy-duty outdoor weatherproof cover. Underneath your burner, you'll find your traditional classic barbecue grill. This piece gets removed once the unit is standing. Once all these parts have been removed, you are now ready to start setting up your unit. At this time, we recommend that you still leave your shrink wrap around your barbecue until the unit is fully standing. All parts have been removed. Now we are ready to start setting up. At this time, we recommend that you still leave the shrink wrap on to prevent any scratches as you're tilting unit on its back. Cut zip tie, and the legs easily unfold. Now we get to hand screwing your 4 caster wheels. You want to lock each wheel and hand screw. Make sure you screw those nice and tight. Cut the zip tie right here and go ahead and pull out your propane tank gas valve hose. Now you're ready to place your support rack. Make sure your tank holder lies right underneath the gas valve hose. This is what locks the entire unit in place. Once support rack has been secure, you're ready to stand your unit. When lifting, make sure you do not grab from the wood eating tables. You want to grab from inside of the structural frame. Now once the unit is fully set up and standing, it's time to remove all shrink wrap. Now we can remove the barbecue grill. What you want to do is cut the zip tie, remove the bottom grease tray, and pull out your traditional barbecue rack from underneath. Once barbecue rack has been removed, go ahead and reinsert your grease tray. Now let's go ahead and put back the grease trap. You want to make sure that the hole is facing the front of the unit so that all the grease falls right underneath into the drip pan. Now to activate the burner, all that is required is 1 standard AAA battery. Positive side out. Now your gas valve hose easily screws right onto a standard propane tank. Now that the unit is fully set up, we open up the eating tables. No tools required. Lift, snap, and unfold. Same thing happens all around. Lift, snap, and unfold. Now it's time to position your 4 stools around your unit. When positioning your stools, make sure that the handle is facing the front of the unit. This will ensure that the stools are both sturdy and stable. Now it's time to choose from 3 different cooking surfaces: multi-purpose stovetop, traditional flat top, or classic barbecue grill. Again, make sure you choose 1 cooking surface at a time. Storing the unit, you want to unfold and snap down all eating tables. Lift, snap, and drop. Lift, snap, and drop. Lift, snap, and drop. Now it's time to place your heavy-duty outdoor weatherproof cover. This will be a lot easier with some assistance. The cover slides right down onto the unit. Making sure all brakes are off and easily roll the unit to its final destination for storage. Now to transport your My Hibachi BBQ, you want to make sure you remove all parts. Make sure you grab from the structural frame. You're going to need some assistance on this part. You want to bring the unit right up to the edge of the trunk and place it on its back. Once the unit is inside of the vehicle, then we can remove the supporting rack. Remove the rack. Now you want to position the wheels with the brakes facing each other. Lock each wheel. Put away your gas valve hose. Now that's the same side that folds in first. Then the other side to easily fold right in. Drop down your unit and go ahead and close your trunk. Now just like that, you took your My Hibachi BBQ right from your backyard to a park, to your next tailgate, camping trip, anywhere you want to transport this setup.